You don't just dream about a boat. You dream about life on a boat. The splash of silliness becomes the echo of laughter. The taste of salt becomes the buoyancy of adventure. The call of the open water becomes the tradition of family. The company of friends becomes the strength of bonds. The luxury of lounging becomes the closeness of connections. The heading of the compass becomes the angle of perspective. The thrill of the chase becomes the stuff of legends. The ebb and flow of conversation becomes the anchor of companionship. The boat of your dreams becomes the experience of a lifetime. Pure pursuit.